Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to get ISO file for Windows 10 to install or to reimage on the window. So first, you need to open Google Chrome browser. And do not worry here, I just copy the link from my video description and then paste to the search bar here and click enter. So you need to change some setting to get the option to download the file. So go to the right hand side, click on the three dots, click on more tool, and then click on developer tool. Next to the setting icon here, click on the three dots and then click on more tool, scroll down and then select on network conditions. At the lower right hand side, uncheck default browser default and then scroll down a bit. On the checkbox here, please select BlackBerry BB10. Now go to our download page. You need to refresh the web page to get the file. Okay, refresh web page. And then you will see something change here. So just select Windows 10 ISO and then click confirm. Now select the language. Let's select English and then click confirm. Okay, now select the bit. Please select 64-bit download. So here is the final result. You need to save to any folder into your PC. So I click to save in download folders and then click save. After the file download successfully, now go to the file explorer and then go to download folder. You can see the file is already downloaded. For the second step, to store the ISO image to the USB drive, you need a tool called Rufus. So first, you need to open Google Chrome browser and then go to my video description, copy the second link, paste it into browser, click enter. You will see the option to download the file. So I click on download folder here to store my file here and click save. As the result, you can see the file is already downloaded. So I click on this point and then show in download folder. Now you can see the file is already here. So I just first I need to install this tool first. Right click and then click on run as administrator. While you see the information to update the tool, so just click no to skip it. You need to insert the USB to store the window image to your PC. So you can see my USB here, but now I will unplug from my computers and let you see. Yes, now I plug into my PC again. Okay, you can see the USB must be larger than 8 GB because it needs to store the file, and it is the requirement for the window image. And back to our tool. Okay, device means you select the USB to store here, and then from here you select the third one and click on the select button to find the ISO image. So click on download because I store my ISO image here, and then click open. Okay, now it's back to our tool. Okay, so make sure the partition you scheme you select GPT, then click start. Wow, now you see another pop-up window user experience. So from here you just skip it, just click OK. For this alerts mean that make sure that you don't need any data from your USB, or you should copy the data first from your USB before it's format. Now it is in the process to boot the file to the USB. You have to wait until the setup status is complete to 100%. Now it's going to finish soon. Wow, congratulations. Finally, the file is already complete. So just click close.